In today's video, I unlocked the Patrick Mahomes skin for completely free, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can get this for completely free, and I can literally equip the second style through this website, which I'm showcasing for you guys. As you guys can see, if I put on the style, I can put it on. It's pretty insane, and this tutorial is crazy. You guys can watch the full entire video because it's literally insane. But without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so I don't want to keep saying insane, so let's exit out of Fortnite. But anyway, without that, let's just go into the link of the description of my video. There's going to be some steps, so once you are in the link of the description, it's going to pull up this recognized link. So it's going to be a bit.ly link, but it's going to redirect you to this recognized link. So subscribe to myself, and then obviously I can't subscribe to myself, but subscribe to myself and then subscribe to my friend Shadow. If you don't do these steps, you won't be able to proceed with this. So yeah, just make sure to subscribe to both of us, and then it will unlock the link. So just wait for that, and it's going to unlock this link any moment. Just wait around 10 to 15 seconds, and it will unlock the link. So yeah, once you've done those steps, just press unlock link, and it's going to take you to this link advertise. So you want to press I'm not a robot, and then press free access. And then from here, you guys want to go on to the download Fortnite dev, and then press save, and double click on here. And then you guys want to press yes. And then you guys want to press next, skip all, and then press open. Before I continue with this tutorial, I just want to say that you guys can also do this on console, mobile. You guys can do this on any device. I'm doing it on PC, but it's a lot easier on PC, but you guys can proceed with the steps through any device. So yeah, you guys want to go on to the Rex FN, so just press that, and then through this step, you guys can unlock the free Patrick Mahomes skin in a moment. So once you guys are here, you guys want to go into the rules, and then go on the anywhere, all platforms, press how to use. And then you guys want to go into the Rex FN Anywhere website. So it's going to take you to another link advertise, and then press I'm not a robot, and then press free access. And then from here, you guys want to press download website, and then download the website. If it goes through some steps, just go to the steps. It's pretty simple, and it takes about 5 seconds. So yeah, just go through those steps, and then you guys want to double click on here. And then you guys want to press yes. It's going to pop up a little tab like last time. Press next, skip on, and press open. It's going to open the Anywhere Rex FN devs. If it asks for a code, you guys want to go back on here and then go on to the code generator. For me, it's not asking for a code, but you guys just want to press launch. And then there you guys go. It's going to username to add Bamika. I only have 5 minutes left to use this, so if you guys search up the Patrick Mahomes skin, it's going to appear right here. So let's just launch Fortnite because I literally only have 5 minutes left to do this. So yeah. If I don't load Fortnite within the next 5 minutes, I won't be able to unlock the skin. So make sure to load quickly. Just go on to your Epic Games tab, and then you guys want to launch Fortnite through there. You guys should know how to do that. But yeah, also if you guys are still commenting and you guys want, also if you guys are still watching and you guys want more videos like this, make sure to comment W, and I'll be gladly to push out more videos like this. So yeah, comment W, and also heart your comment by the way too. So once you guys are in Fortnite, just wait for it to connect and fully load up. So yeah, just log in, it's creating party, and then just wait for it to load up. And you guys may be asking, what's this username to add? So this is what's going to give you the skin. So you just want to double click on this, press copy, and then go on to ESC. And then you guys want to go on to the add friends, and then add this friend. It's going to give you the skin for completely free. So if you don't have it added, obviously add it. I already have it added right here. So we're going to join this party, and as you guys can see, we have the Patrick Mahomes skin. But if you guys want to unlock the different styles, you basically control what you want through this website. So you guys can go on to the new items, and then you guys can actually unlock the Patrick Mahomes skin for completely free. So let's do the Patrick Mahomes first style. There you guys go. It's pretty simple. I know there is an emote, but I really don't see it yet. But if you guys do see it, I may have missed it. But you guys can basically unlock the whole Patrick Mahomes set for completely free. Also, you guys should be able to unlock the backlink for Patrick Mahomes as well. I don't know the exact name of it, so I can't really search it up. It's like, I think it's, I don't know. But you guys can obviously see we have unlocked both the styles of the Patrick Mahomes skin. So yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.